Can you find 10 energy connections used by Jennifer Lopez and Billie Eilish? Are you ready to super change your process to fulfillment? In this exclusive post, we'll move into the world of energy connection patterns with insights from A-list celebrities like Jennifer Lopez, Billie Eilish, Jim Carrey, and Beyonce. This is only for those individuals who are hungry to take their products or service effectively to the world. This post is a ticket to unlocking unlimited potential. Connect with us at carreyruff.com as we find and use the secrets behind their phenomenal success and uncover the hidden energy connections that drive their success and achievements. After watching and listening to these celebrities, you'll be amazed by how many energy connection patterns that you can use in your work culture and in your life. From Jennifer Lopez's unstoppable drive to Jim Carrey's transformative mindset, each celebrity offers valuable lessons in harnessing the power of energy to manifest their dreams. I'll guide you through practical exercises to help you recognize and leverage energy connection patterns in your own life and in your own career. Pick up your notebook and get ready to uncover the secrets of success and fulfillment with me as your guide to this transformation. carreyruff.com, the connection strategist. Let's move into the power of energy connection together. It's time to super change your life. We're cracking the code to unlock your full potential with a 3-step master pattern that I have dubbed energy connections. We're moving way beyond the surface and tap into what truly fuels our human needs. That's our beliefs, our emotions, and our intentions. Next, physical communication. It's about small action steps with a massive impact. It can change things. It can transform things. I'm talking about the moves that shake the ground under our feet. And finally, resilience and growth. You'll get tools and tips, not just about bouncing back, but bouncing forward when life spins out of control. Plus, discover why the best victories are won when you're on a team and working together.
That's super real. I think that what you put out and what you focus your attention on is what expands, for sure. If I want something, it can happen. Like, it's absolutely possible, and to never act like it's not. And I think in a way that's kind of manifestation. It's like you think about it like it's already there, and it is.
This is a letter that you wrote to yourself September 2nd, 2010 by Kendall Jenner. Look at this. This is real. This is a real letter.
My goal in life is to become a big-time model and travel to really amazing places. I really hope it happens. Smiley face. I'm 14 years old. Just thought I would say that. LOL.
I'm gonna write a script, and I can see it in my head. I can see me and my band dancing and gold everywhere and women screaming for me when I do interviews.
Sorry, man. So that's how you envision it.
I just envisioned that. I just envisioned this fun album that made people want to dance.
Ask, believe, receive. If you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. You have to understand, you are a magnet. Whatever you are, that's what you draw to you. If you're negative, you're going to draw negativity. You positive, you draw positive.
I made a vision board. It was a house, a horse, and Ellen.
And I was very much raised with the notion that you can be anything you want to be, and you have to do it yourself. But if you can truly believe in yourself and sort of see the bullseye and keep it in your sights, like that's what I was raised to believe. And it's a very exhilarating feeling. It's a very powerful feeling. And I believe that anybody can channel that feeling and manifest for themselves. Absolutely.
And almost visually create your entire world. No, not almost. You actually can.
Yes.
You can. And then I was like, I'm going to do that, and I will do that. And then that's when I began to practice it.
What we really want seems impossibly out of reach and ridiculous to expect, so we never dare to ask the universe for it. I'm saying, I'm the proof that you can ask the universe for it.
Now there you have it. Let's wrap this up with something that you can truly use. Every day we've got choices. Connect with your heart. Talk with passion and purpose. And don't give up when things get tough. Watch as the world starts to change and transform in your favor. Together, we're not just dreaming, we're doing. Let's craft the quality of life that we truly deserve. Keep connecting and moving your energy differently. I'm Carrey Ruff. Are you ready to skyrocket your success? I'm looking for 5 ambitious souls eager to connect their product, service, or skills with the world in just 30 days. You want in? Just check out the full details at carreyruff.com and include what you're passionate about and why you should be one of the 5. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to avoid missing this life-changing opportunity. Let's create together.